Hello, hello, it's King Kong again, and today we're gonna speak about how to make clean edits in Logic Pro. Very easy and very quick. Let's hop right into it.
Father the leader, you know who it be. Run through the shit like a dough in the streets. Get on my red and you line on my love. Corner for hoe, I enjoy all the beef. Wait, I just ignore all the week. Wait, it's not important to me. Hey, I am a lord in the beast. I'm fucking them up like a whore in the freak.
Drago is coming out December 20. It's with Dex Turner. And of course he had some explicit words in there.
Shit.
How dare you?
Oh,
Anyways, you can clean them very easy with Logic. Just separate them from the lead vocal. Choose the automation tool, which is Escape A. And then draw in a fade out. Right click on the fade out. Choose slow down instead of fade in. And there you go, you have that cool tape stop effect.
run through the shit like a
And we
dough.
will do that on every of those explicit words. And then we have a very cool, still rhythmic, but cleaned lyric.
Father the leader, you know who it be. Run through the shit like a dough in the streets. Get on my red and you line on my love. Corner